Stock Holding has announced recruitment position of trainee. So here is the detail vacancy mentioned. When you will visit on the official website corporate.stockholding.com, you will scroll down and here you will get detailed vacancy in IT automation section, officer trainee job. Now the position is mentioned. So your position is officer trainee IT is your position. Vacancy code you have to remember that is mentioned over here. Vacancy code is mentioned. Job location is Navi Mumbai, and Delhi. These are your job locations. Okay. Department is IT department. Eligibility criteria is on Indian national can apply, are eligible. Okay. Age limit is minimum age is 21 years and your age limit is less than 28 years. That means your maximum age limit is here 28 years. Education qualification is also mentioned. So must have passed the B or a BTech in computer science, or if you have completed BTech in information technology or in electronics branch with a minimum 60% of marks, then you can apply for this position, officer trainee. Okay, then only you are eligible to apply for this post. Or next qualification is if you have completed B or a BTech. Next is if you have completed MCA, that means Master of Computer Application course if you have completed, or MSc in Computer Science, or equivalent post graduation degree with minimum 60% of marks, then also you can apply for trainee officer post. Next qualification is skill set. So skill set you can see knowledge of SQL, database concepts, software development lifecycle and testing concept. These are your skill sets. Quick learning and willing to accept responsibility. Function knowledge of capital market will be an advantage for this. And note, online test is scheduled to be held on 21st of Feb 2026. Your last date is 6th of Feb 2026. Apply before 6th of Feb and your online test will be conducted on 21st of Feb 2026. Important instructions are also mentioned. Application to be received only in online mode. Here it is mentioned, and through the career page only that I have opened. Next is preliminary screening of the candidates will be carried out on merit basis, and your after online written test, your interview will be conducted. So there are two stages. First is your online test. Second one is your interview. So these two are the stages. So after joining the corporate, the candidates are required to appear for and pass the following certification during training period. So during training period, you have to pass these certification courses. So certifications are NISM Series 6, NISM Series 5A, NISM Series 8, NISM Series 7, and RDA certification in composite. These are the certificates you have to pass during training period. Remuneration and leave is also mentioned. So about remuneration and leave, you can see over here. Remuneration for the post of officer trainee will be 25,100 rupees per month, approximately per month, and HRAs allowances will also be provided, like house rent allowance, special allowance, medical allowance. So these are your allowances that will be provided, and during the training period, candidate will be eligible for one casual leave per month only. Only one casual leave you will get per month. Selection procedure is mentioned over here. Selection procedure, I have told you, there will be online written exam and your interview. So online test will be conducted and your interview will be conducted. Online test, I have told you, that will be conducted on 26th of Feb 2026, and your shortlisting process you can see over here. So this is all about shortlisting process. Multiple choice online test will be conducted, that will be conducted on 26th of Feb. Here is the selection process. Examination pattern is mentioned over here. So there are 5 sections. First section is of English, that will be tentative number of question is 25 for English portion. Logical ability 24 question will come, and quantitative ability 14 question will be coming from quants. Oracle PL SQL 13 question will come from this section, and advanced manual testing 12 question will be coming from fourth section, that is your advanced manual testing. Test duration is mentioned, that will be of 2 hours. It is mandatory to pass in each subject and section. Okay. Minimum passing score for each subject section is 40%, and overall minimum passing score is also mentioned, that is your 40%. An interview will be conducted preferably in virtual mode. Interview will be conducted virtual mode once you have qualified this online written MCQ examination. So interview will be conducted in virtual mode. Final merit list will be prepared on the basis of performance in the interview only. So first stage, that is of your online examination, computer based test, that is only a qualifying. Your final merit list will be prepared only on the basis of your interview. Action against, so you can read about this instructions. Actions are mentioned over here. So here is the detail mentioned. So your starting date of application is 28th of January. That means application has already started, and your last date is 6th of Feb 2026. So apply before 6th of Feb 2026. Your written examination, online examination, will be conducted on 26th of Feb. Then after qualifying your first stage, you will be giving your interview, and final merit list will be depend on your interview. So this was all about this notification. I hope you like this video. Subscribe our channel for latest job updates. Thanks for watching.